In today's video, I will walk you through how to set up free trials in Stripe. First, navigate to the Stripe website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard. From the dashboard, look at the navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Find the billing section and click on it. This will open the area where subscription-related settings and options are managed. Under Billing, locate Subscriptions in the menu and select it. This will take you to the Subscriptions page where you can view and manage subscription settings. Once you're on the Subscriptions page, move to the upper right corner of the screen and click Create Test Subscription. This will open the Setup page where you can configure the subscription details. On the Setup page, look for the section related to free trial days. This is where you'll configure the length of the trial period. To begin, click Add Trial Days. After selecting this option, a field will appear that allows you to enter the number of days you want the free trial to last. Click into the field and type the number of trial days you want to offer. Review the number you've entered and make sure it reflects the length of the trial period you want to provide. After entering the trial duration, continue reviewing the available subscription settings on the page. Look for the option that controls what happens when the free trial ends if no payment method has been added. Stripe provides options for handling this situation automatically. Select the option that matches how you want the subscription to be managed at the end of the trial period. You can choose to pause the subscription if no payment method has been added. Alternatively, you can choose to cancel the subscription when the trial ends and a payment method has not been provided. Make your selection and verify that the setting reflects your preferred outcome for subscriptions that reach the end of the trial period, without a payment method on file. Once you've configured the trial length and selected the desired option for handling subscriptions after the trial period, review the settings one final time. Confirm that the number of trial days is correct and that the post-trial behavior is set according to your preference. After reviewing everything, your free trial setup is complete. The test subscription will now include the trial period you configured, along with the actions you've selected for handling subscriptions after the trial ends. That's all there is to it. Thank you for watching.